We're going to head now over to Tina in Fultondale. Tina, if you will, go right ahead with your question.
Yes, I would like to ask a question about 18-wheelers. If you're on the freeway and an 18-wheeler is driving in front of you and you're behind them and your windshield get cracked during the process of you driving behind them, and you flag them over, they pull over on the shoulder, and you both get out, and you say, hey, I'm going to crack my windshield, and they tell you you need to contact your insurance company. Why should I be held responsible for damages done to my vehicle? So therefore, I would have to pay my deductible. So I just want to know, am I the one responsible for it or the 18-wheeler?
That's a great question, Tina. Thank you so much for calling in with that. Jessica, your response to that.
Everyone gets frustrated when lawyers say it depends, but in this case, it really depends. It depends on what exactly hit your windshield that broke it. If it was something that fell off the tractor trailer, then that truck's insurance company is really the one that should cover that. If it was just a piece of debris on the road, that's kind of an expected hazard that people come across when they're driving. And in that case, that's probably why he was saying you should contact your own insurance company. You can, if you like, call your insurance company, pay your deductible, have them fix it, and then try and make a claim on the trucking insurance company's ledger. So when that claim goes through, then you should make the money back from your deductible. It's at least worth a shot.
Yeah, I mean, I would think it's hard if you don't have a physical piece of evidence to show that it came from their truck to prove that.
The problem is proving exactly what happened. If you have someone in your car or an eyewitness, then you can reach out to them and get a statement from them or some other proof.
Yeah.
A lot of people I know have those USB dash cams in their car.
Okay.
I have one just in case something happens. I want proof of it. So,
Yes.
I mean, they're cheap on Amazon or wherever.
Okay.
They
Good
can help in
advice.
situations like that.
Yes. Well, Tina, we certainly wish you all the best with that. Hope that you can get some sort of justification if needed in that case. So thank you for calling as well.